saw the news today, they were saying that the crime rate is up in the city. Young niggas running wild. Can you blame them? Ain't nothing to look forward to out here. Ain't no opportunities. Niggas trying to get to a bag.
Lord, make space in heaven for a nigga like me. Walking this lonely road feels like hell indeed. Ain't no way I'ma change, I can only be me. Hope you don't close that door and you stand by me. Stand by me, yeah.
Permanent decision over temporary emotion. That could cost you. Decisions like that, well, you ain't gonna never get motion. Not at all. You can stay complacent, but life is better with motion. Keep stepping. I still be with killers, and I know that I never could post them. This ain't for IG. So if you think I care about your top 50 list, I don't. When there really was a time when we was trying to cop 50 bricks. I really been outside since red tops on the strip. And my young boy just got hype. He just got a Glock with a switch. He said, drop the addy. He can't wait to take it on the test run. Them niggas trying to kill ops. They ain't really trying to test guns. They run around with toast, but they ain't even getting no breadcrumbs. I watch niggas sell cokes as Mike was wearing them bread ones. 85, 86. Life, some things you could never explain. He told me practice like Iverson, but I was ready for the game. I try to bring us back together, but things never was the same. You remember? And that shit been weighing on me like wearing leather in the rain. I been tugging at my soul like pulling strings on the bass. I make a bitch body cold, I put these rings in her face. Baby, don't nobody move, we got that thing in the place. She saw the stars on the roof, thought I was gonna bring her to space.
Lord, make space in heaven for a nigga like me. Walking this lonely road feels like hell indeed. Ain't no way I'ma change, I can only be me.
I can only be me, Lord.
Hope you don't close that door.
Just don't close that
stand
door,
by me. Stand by me, yeah.
Oh, dear Lord, I'm looking for the prints in the sand. I'm looking at Bahamas in the ocean while I'm praying and rinsing my hand. I've been outside before niggas could insta they gram.